Short little video on cleaning your headlight here. Buddy showed me a little bit of off. I mean, this isn't off, this is a different brand, but really doesn't matter. As you can see, instantly look at that. That's only one time. Look at that difference. Now obviously this is an 04, so there's a little bit of scratches and stuff that are gonna be there no matter what, but look at that. I mean, it was like yellowish before. Already did the other one, and I did the Civic too. You couldn't even see out of the Civics.